Oh, hello, guys. Let's go. Let's collect all the coins to open pack. Let's go. We come to here daily quest. Uh, you can say their ultimate thoughts will come. Then World Cup. World Cup will come in four. You know, there are many players. There are many icons will appear in World Cup game. You should keep patience. Let's collect. We will collect division rivals pack. Let's collect one by one. Sometimes they don't give price time to time. They late. They have to fix this lack. Uh, we will open pack in last. We are collecting this. You can see team of the season. Oh, Van Basten. You can't buy Van Basten. If you buy Van Basten, your nunu will be in your pussy. Let's go. Syria, you can see. I actually supported Dimarco, but I chose Modric. You should choose Dimarco. I incorrectly choose Modric. I wish all buddy choose Dimarco. Let's go. Collect. A need winner. We are investing in Dusha James. सपने टूटा तो दिल कभी जलता है आता है. You can see these players. There are many good players and many bad players too. You can see Agothus. He's poacher. He can play good because he got poacher stats. Not that speed. Good shooting. Average. Very good average. Then you can come Konsa. It can be concerned because its stats is medium. But all is okay. His concern is his work rate is medium. Now we'll open video, guys. Let's go. Oh, who will come? Who is this? Oh my. Again, trash. Oh, Argentina.